Pegfilgrastim is a synthetic version of a natural substance in your body that helps produce more white blood cells. White blood cells are essential for fighting off infections. People undergoing chemotherapy, which can reduce the body's ability to make white blood cells, are often given pegfilgrastim. Some brands of pegfilgrastim may also be used to increase white blood cells after exposure to high levels of radiation. This video will focus on the uses of Ziextenzo 6 mg per 0.6 ml subcutaneous syringe leukocyte stimulating factors. It is important to take this medication as directed by your doctor. It is typically given as a single injection once per chemotherapy cycle, with the exact timing determined by your healthcare provider. Before starting to use Ziextenzo 6 mg per 0.6 ml subcutaneous syringe leukocyte stimulating factors, it's important to read the patient information leaflet and instructions for use from your pharmacist. This medication is given by injection under the skin as directed by your doctor. When used during chemotherapy, it is usually given once during each chemotherapy cycle, but not within 14 days before or 24 hours after chemotherapy. For use after radiation exposure, it is usually given for 2 doses, 1 week apart. The dosage and schedule are based on your medical condition and response to treatment. If you are using this medication at home, you should learn all preparation and usage instructions from your healthcare professional and the product package. Before injecting each dose, clean the injection site with rubbing alcohol and change where you inject each time to lessen injury under the skin. Do not inject pegfilgrastim into skin that is bruised, tender, red, hard, or that has scars, moles, or stretch marks. Make sure to learn how to store and discard medical supplies safely. If you experience aching or pain in the bones and muscles, you can take a non-aspirin pain reliever like acetaminophen to help with the discomfort. If you notice redness, swelling, itching, or bruising at the injection site, be sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist. It's important to remember that your doctor has prescribed this medication because they believe that the benefits outweigh the potential risks of side effects. Most people who use this medication do not experience serious side effects. However, it's crucial to contact your doctor immediately if you experience any serious side effects such as pink or bloody urine, easy bleeding or bruising, fever, fast heartbeat, or purple or red spots on your skin. Also, seek medical help right away if you have difficulty breathing, a decrease in urination, unusual tiredness, or swelling of the body. In rare cases, this medication may cause serious damage to the spleen or increase the risk of certain bone marrow disorders or blood cancer. Be sure to discuss these risks with your doctor if you have breast or lung cancer and are receiving chemotherapy or radiation. Although a serious allergic reaction to this drug is rare, it's important to seek immediate medical attention if you notice any symptoms such as rash, itching or swelling of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not an exhaustive list of potential side effects, so it's essential to report any other effects you may experience to your doctor or pharmacist. If you are in the US, you can also report side effects to the FDA, and in Canada, you can report them to Health Canada. If you have any allergies to pegfilgrastim, filgrastim, eflapegrastim, or any other ingredients in this medication, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist before using Ziextenzo 6 mg per 0.6 ml subcutaneous syringe. This product may contain inactive ingredients that can cause allergic reactions, so it's important to discuss this with your pharmacist. Before using Ziextenzo, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about your medical history, especially if you have sickle cell disease or spleen problems. If you are planning to have surgery, it's important to inform your doctor or dentist about all the medications you are currently using, including prescription drugs, non-prescription drugs, and herbal products. If you are pregnant, Ziextenzo should only be used when clearly needed, so make sure to discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. It's also important to consult your doctor before using this medication if you are breastfeeding, as it may pass into breast milk. Drug interactions can affect how well your medications work or increase the risk of serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Don't make any changes to your medications without your doctor's approval. Pegfilgrastim is similar to filgrastim, so you should not use a filgrastim product while using pegfilgrastim. This medication could interfere with certain lab tests, which may lead to false test results. Make sure to inform lab personnel and all your doctors that you are using this medication. If someone has taken too much Ziextenzo and is experiencing severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek immediate medical help. In the US, you can call your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222, while in Canada, residents can call a provincial poison control center. It is important not to share this medication with anyone else. Your doctor may also require you to undergo lab or medical tests, such as a complete blood count or kidney function tests, while you are using Ziextenzo. It is important to attend all scheduled medical and lab appointments. Be sure to consult your doctor for more information. When using Ziextenzo 6 mg per 0.6 ml subcutaneous syringe leukocyte stimulating factors, it is crucial to take each dose at the scheduled time. If you happen to miss a dose, it is important to consult your doctor or pharmacist immediately to establish a new dosing schedule. It is not recommended to take a double dose to make up for the missed one. This medication should be taken as directed to ensure its efficacy and to avoid any potential side effects. When it comes to storing Ziextenzo 6 mg per 0.6 ml subcutaneous syringe leukocyte stimulating factors, it's important to keep it in the refrigerator and in the original package to protect it from light. Make sure not to freeze or shake it, and if you take it out of the refrigerator, be sure to use it or discard it within the recommended time frame. Always keep medications out of reach of children and pets. When it comes to getting rid of expired or unused medication, it's important to do so properly. Do not flush it down the toilet or pour it into a drain unless specifically instructed. Instead, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for the best way to discard it. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.